Greetings and salutations, and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, which you can watch here, I talked about taking action in regards to consistency and discipline. This video is a physical manifestation of that concept. YouTube is something I've been wanting to do for some time. And in the month of August, I chose to invite myself to actually show up and follow through for me, which I did. So in September, I'm inviting myself to do the same thing, except this time I'm going to step it up a notch. What does that next step look like? Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, save this video to your watch later, and soon you'll see. I guess this video is more of a celebratory moment than anything. I said I was going to upload once a week, and I did. And I have a lot of ideas in store for the future of this space. As my vision comes together, things will change and shift to reflect that development. Back when I was teaching at a studio, I told my fellow dancers that I wanted to create something for them and others who were interested in continuing their movement journey outside of the physical classroom. This channel is meant to provide that space, a space of learning, understanding, exploration, and development. And fun. Though, if you're like me, all those things are considered fun. So, if you're interested, tap in, subscribe, like some videos, and find your way back next week, where you can look forward to a beginner pole tutorial. And no, you won't need to be super strong to do it either. See you then.